Hey, what up, world? The name is Mac B. I'm making this video because I'm getting ready to embark and experience something for the first time in my entire existence of being, and that is to eat a bug. Yeah, you heard me right. Eat a bug. The art of eating bugs is called entomophagy. I'm hoping I'm pronouncing that correctly. Anyway, entomophagy is a well-known um, food experience that is supposed to be really good for a source of protein and things of that nature in Thailand, China, Asia, things of that nature. And so, me being born overseas, I've always been open-minded and very enthused about exotic foods. I just never have ever in my entire life eaten a bug. Again, I was born there, but I was raised here in the United States, and usually you see a bug here, you want to kill it or call an exterminator. So, but I've always been intrigued by this way of life, and so I took it upon myself to um, order something to fulfill something on my bucket list. Shout out to Emmy Eats. She's been very inspirational as far as like experiencing different foods, and especially when it comes to bugs. Also, Andrew Zimmerman, Bizarre Foods. I'm pretty sure you've heard of him. And so, let's get started. Right, first of all, I have this nice, handy package that I ordered my treats from, and so I have it here, and let's get it open and see what's inside, shall we? All right. Okay, so the package is not so scary, but it's the name that's on it kind of freaks you out. It doesn't just say crickets, it says big crickets. I don't know how to feel about that. Okay, let's go ahead and get this open. All right, let's go ahead and get this open. I don't know how to feel about this. Holy cow. Okay. They don't they don't smell bad. They don't smell bad, but I can see them. I don't know if you can. Holy cow, one fell out. All right. So this is what we're gonna do. I have a plate here. I have a plate. I'm gonna shake it about two. Two would be fairly enough. Oh shit! I shook out about eight. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a few back. Gonna put a few back. I'll leave the small ones out. The big ones have got to go, especially the one with wings. Right. Uh. Okay. All right. Let me close this. Close this. Forgive me for looking over here. I'm expecting the camera to be over here, but I'm really looking at you guys. All right. So let's take a look. Let's take a look. So here's the crickets. All right. Okay. So the thing about this is that, again, being a Westerner, in the United States, they tell you that bugs are bad, and that so you kind of, it tattoos your mind that you want to kill stuff like this, and you don't want to eat it. So it's really a visual thing and it's a mental thing. But let me elaborate on how it came. The package, it does say, as you can see, it does say no colors or preservatives. It's boiled and dehydrated, not fried. Mostly in like Asia or Thailand, they usually deep fry them on a stick or just by themselves with like chili and lime and all that. But here we don't have any of that. It also says no MSG, which is good. Um, okay, so I'm gonna pick one up. Shiza. I'm gonna pick up this little guy here. I'm just gonna show you. Can't believe I'm doing this. But I'm gonna give you a close up. They have like little eyes and their little legs, and they actually still have the wings on them. See that? It's a wing. Alright. So that's what we're dealing with. And again, I have 4 of them here. And just for safekeeping, if I have to wash it down quickly. Brought to you by Bud Light. Alright. So they're salted, boiled, not and dehydrated, and not fried. Alright. Here we go. Okay. Alright, so let me first say interesting. They don't taste bad at all. Um, the texture is a soft crunch. Um, it kind of gives me the the taste of like a popcorn, unflavored, unsalted, unbuttered popcorn kernel. I'm gonna eat another one just to be on, just to make sure I'm not tripping because I'm trying to grasp it. Right. Honestly, it kind of tastes like a cross between a roasted sunflower and an unpopped kernel, soft unpopped kernel of popcorn with no salt, no butter, no flavor. Honestly, though, not not bad though. Like I was expecting it to. Honestly, I don't know what I expected it to be, but it really wasn't. It really wasn't that bad. Okay, here's one that's a bit bigger. He looked like he had a lot of lunch this day. His legs are gone though. So, he was actually a lot better. You notice that was number 3. He was actually a lot better. And that was number 4. I'm not touching that for him, but yeah. So honestly, a roasted soy nut. That's what it tastes like. A roasted soy nut. If you've ever had any kind of roasted nuts, because it's very nutty, very clean. There's no aftertaste. There's no ill, gamey, anything to it. They actually taste like roasted nuts. I'm really, really surprised. They're actually, it's actually really good. So, you've witnessed me try the big crickets, and I was surprisingly, I'm, I'm actually pretty floored that they were actually pleasurable. Like, I just want to grab a handful of them like some sunflower seeds and pop them. But make a long story short, and bring it into this video, not that bad. Actually, quite delicious. A cross between a soy nut or any kind of roasted nut and half popped kernel of unsalted, unbuttered popcorn. It's really actually really good. And so there's my video for that. I'll probably have a few more of these when I end this video, just to convince me that it's not a bug or is a bug. Whatever. And I'll hopefully be doing another video soon. Have to place another order. My next conquer and divide insect would be the mealworm. And the name of the company that you can order these from is called Thailand Unique, and that's THAILANDUNIQUE.com. And you can pretty much order any form of insect. And of course, they are naturally farm grown. They're not something that they got out the yard or anything like that, or with pesticides. So they're clean, healthy, and you can roll with it. And it's healthy. They won't do anything to your body. And this particular thing tastes really good. Log on to them, get you a batch, and try it yourself. And as you see, I tried myself, and I'm not upset. I actually kind of like these little boogers, these little critters. So yeah, check that out, and then check back with me. Two more. Check back with me. My next project is mealworms. Really good. Thank y'all for checking out this video. I'll be bringing more videos to you. Still learning how to do this YouTube thing, but check back with me. Thank you again for watching this video. Share it, comment, whatever. And thank you guys for listening and watching. Again, my name is Mac B, Houston, Texas, right here. Have a good one. Peace.